Thank you for checking out my Procreate colored pencil set. This set has 4 premium colored pencils. In this video, I'm going to show you how each one of them works. The first one is called Creamy Pencil. This one mimics the natural texture of an artist grade colored pencil. It's soft, creamy, and feels like butter when you draw. It renders the pretty realistic texture of a colored pencil, and the pressure feels very similar to how you use an actual pencil. The second pencil is called Creamy Pencil Darken. This pencil is pretty unique because when you lay down the first layer, the pencil feels exactly like the first one. However, when you keep on drawing on your first layer, you will see the color changes to a darker shade of the first one. This pencil allows you to make a very fun gradation effect on your illustrations. Very similar to this one, the next pencil is called Creamy Pencil Highlighter. And this pencil achieves the opposite effect of the previous pencil. So for each subsequent layer, the color gets slightly lighter. So this one is really good for adding highlights to your illustrations. Normally, this type of effects can be achieved by using the blending mode between layers, but sometimes when the file is so big, you might not have the option of creating as many layers as you want. And you can switch between these two pencils to add highlights and shading, all on the same layer. The last pencil in the set is called Tilt Shader. To use it, you can just tilt your pencil like how you would using an actual pencil and apply shading. Notice that I didn't switch color in between these two layers. When you tilt using the tilt shader, it will automatically give you a slightly darker shade of the same color that you have chosen. So this will save you some time in decision making. Let's go into one of my illustrations to see how we can use the colored pencil set in real life. I have used the Creamy Pencil Highlighter for this portion of the leaf. Just like how you use your colored pencil on real paper, you can apply layers. Because of how the highlighter pencil is created, for each additional stroke on the same layer, you will be able to see a lighter shade. Similarly, you can achieve the shading effect using the Darken pencil, and you don't have to even change color in the process. Last but not least, we can add areas of shading by using the Tilt Shader without having to change the color. I hope you will enjoy the set as much as I do when I created them. My name is Esther Nariyoshi. I am a US-based illustrator. These brushes can be found in links below. I look forward to see your beautiful work in the world. See you next time.